Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, just a quick little show and tell before Mr. Doodle gets home. I've been busy doing my drawers that I told you I was getting, and I've worn myself out. So I've had a couple of days of not doing much. So I've just been pottering about, just doing little bits and bobs. Scrap monsters, I showed you that scrap monster. Just a minute, that scrap monster that I've done the other day, that is from the cutouts, leftover bits of the die cut, Tim Holtz Flower Tattered Florals die cut. So that's the one I showed you the other day. I did a couple more. Oh, I just love doing these. I just love them. I know they're not like the scrap monsters where you do all little bits of scraps on them, but that's that one. There's this weird freak, and I thought the scavenger hunt challenge, it says on there draw an eye, so I thought, ooh, that's an eye, or it's meant to be an eye, so I might try and see if I can get that in my scavenger hunt book. I don't know, but I made him a little hat out of the bit that I cut out between his legs. He's wearing the piece that fits between his legs on his head, so that's how you get the name. Yes. I've done another piece of, started another piece of that with Woody's 3-in-1 crayons, just scribble, scribble, scribble. Went over it with watered down PVA, put some stamps on, flicked some dots of my Posca pen, and then I'm going to put some gold flakes on another day and, I don't know, cut those up. And then the other thing I fancied doing, I've got some sheet music, so I thought, oh, I'll stick some napkins on. So I've been doing that. Nothing's finished. Some of these pretty napkins. I know a couple of you ladies have sent me one or two of these, but these were, I'd actually forgotten that I'd bought them. These were in my drawer of ones that I've bought, so I stuck that on. Bodged up there, but who cares? I don't. And then this one's even more bodged up. That one. Need to get another piece, oops, napkin to put on there or something. I don't know. I haven't got anything in mind. It's just I felt like gluing napkins down. And there's that one. That's just literally folded up. You can see how I've done it. Nothingness really. That's one that I haven't even folded up. Well, these ones, the other three, I'd folded them into like envelopes, and then I decided to put napkins on. I'm not bothered that that's upside down. I could have done it separately, but I didn't. So that's that. And then this afternoon, oh, because I've got bits of, it's funny how things evolve, isn't it? Because I've got bits of this napkin and this, well, bits of all the napkins left, I thought, oh, I'm not just going to stick them back in my drawer. And I've got some, just hang on a minute, sorry for the shakiness. Let's have a look. I've got some, it's just baking powder. Duh. Baking, oh goodness. Greaseproof paper. It's just cheap old greaseproof paper. I can't get the box. Cheap old greaseproof paper that I use to mix paints on and glues on and this on and that on. So I got a big piece out and I thought I'll stick those napkins on there. And I just kept going and going, and I thought it's actually turned out like a bit of a masterboard. I hadn't intended it being like that. It's just gone, well, I think that's quite pretty. So then I did just a minute. Then I decided, I thought, oh, well, that does look a bit like a Masterboard. But it's pretty, whatever it is. So I thought, well, I'll try and do what Nina and some of the other ladies do, and I'll try and print it out. But, oh no, I don't know whether it's the printer or whether it's because it's done on, you know, the greaseproof paper. I don't know, but I'm going to show you them. I've had to do a maintenance thing on Mr. Doodle's printer. Tried all sorts of papers. Some of my cards actually wouldn't go through the printer. Just kept rejecting them. So, I mean, it actually looks better showing you through the camera than it looks in real life. That doesn't look too bad actually, but it doesn't look that nice. That's one of them. I just slapped it in the scanner and did it like that. That's that one. What was another one? Again, that looks much better looking at it through the lens than it does. I suppose it's not too bad actually. This one was all dark at the bottom. Oh, they do look quite good through here. That one, I've no idea why that one is really dark. And this one was on a glossy photo paper, but again it looks good or looks okay as I'm showing you it now, but it doesn't look very good. But they'll get used for something, even if I paint over them. We don't throw them out, do we? Then this afternoon, for some reason, I can't show you them because they're all hung up. I'll show you them another day. But there's one, I thought, after I'd done this, I thought, oh, I fancy doing more of the faux handmade paper. So instead of just doing it on white paper or tea or coffee dyed, I've decided I've got loads and loads and loads and loads of coloured paper, so I've been doing some on coloured paper. So that's just one it's quite bright. It's not that bright. That's just one with the tea and bits of cotton and bits of napkin and netting. It's tea bag paper. Oh no, it's not tea bag paper, it's dried leaves. Some dried leaves. This is bits of cut up ribbon, little snippets of ribbon that was left over that I've just thrown in a drawer. But they're quite pretty. And say the others are all hung up, so I'm going to have to show you those another day. But that was all. I've just milling about doing, well, I don't think I've done much, but it's actually quite a lot, and I'm really quite pleased with that. But now if I'd set out and thought, oh, I'll try and do a Masterboard, I don't think it would have gone very well. But I say I was just slapping it all down, and when I'd finished I thought, oh yeah, that looks a bit light, but I think it's really pretty. Anyway, I'm talking twaddle. I better go and get Mr. Doodle's dinner on. He wants a pasta bake tonight. He says, oh, I've not had pasta bake for ages. We tend to eat different things because I'm doing keto, a ketogenic diet as they call it. It's not really a diet, but a diet is a way of eating, isn't it? I tend to eat different things to Mr. Doodle, and he wants pasta bake, so the master has spoken, and that's what I shall do for him. So I'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.